Okay, so we're back out in the village for round 4. You can see St. George's in the background there. This round is going to be all about nature. So here we are at Lodge Farm. This is where Horse Sense Wirral is based. It's Wirral's largest animal sanctuary. You can see a few of the horses in the background there. But if the horse behind me was 16 hands high, how many inches would that be? So how many inches would 16 hands be in horse measurement? If a dog is canine and a cat is feline, what do we call cows? Like these ones over there. So the next question is about flowers. And the question is, on a flower, what is the anther? So the next question is about green plants, leafy plants. And we want to know, what is the process by which plants convert light into energy? What is the process by which plants, like these all around us, convert light into energy? Our next question is about collective nouns for groups of animals. For example, a school of fish or a pride of lions, or we want to know, what is the collective noun for a group of owls? What is the collective noun for a group of owls? We want to know, what is a young pigeon called? What is a baby pigeon called? Our next question is, what creature produces the apitoxin venom? So what creature produces the apitoxin venom? Our next question refers to bodies of water in England, and we want to know, what is the largest body of water, the largest lake by surface area in England? What is the largest lake by surface area in England? The next question, question 9, is, if I was an arboreal creature, where would I live? If I was an arboreal creature, where would I live? Final question, question 10 in this round. Many creatures are, of course, nocturnal, some birds as well. We want to know, question 10, what is the opposite of nocturnal? So, question 10, what is the opposite of nocturnal?